Hello, dear visitors. One of the major challenges associated with climate change is the improper relationships between humans and nature. As a result of these negative interactions, many animal species have become rare and are now threatened with extinction, which makes their preservation, conservation, and scientific study essential. One such species is the Bukhara deer, a specimen of which is presented in the Nature Department of the National Museum. The Bukhara deer is a rare species of the fauna of Tajikistan. Its body weight can reach up to 200 kilograms. Body length ranges from 78 to 86 centimeters, and shoulder height is approximately 120 centimeters. The body of its colors is brown with a grayish-yellow shades, and during winter it's become lighter. The habitat of the Bukhara deer is the Turgai forest and riverbank ecosystems of Central Asia, particularly along Amudarya, Waksh, and Panj River. In Tajikistan, the Bukhara deer is found within protected areas such as Beshai Palangon Nature Reserve and near the Kofarnihon River in the Romit Biosphere Nature Reserve. Dear visitors, if you want to know more detailed information about the wildlife of our country, we welcome you to the National Museum.